A winter storm is coming to Avalon, and that means a whole host of weather types, and we're going to talk about it here with you. It's meteorologist Joe Martucci here with the Shorely Safe program. Let's take a look at our NOAA weather alerts. We have a cold weather advisory in effect from midnight to 10 a.m. on our Saturday here. Wind chills will get close to zero. Then we have a winter storm warning. This is new from the National Weather Service and NOAA from Saturday night until our Monday at 1 p.m. And then we have a freezing spray advisory in effect for the waters as well, Friday night to Saturday morning, as a cold wind can freeze salt water onto your vessels or your docks and piers. Now, let's take a look at the timing of this storm. So we're dry for Saturday, but we are going to see snow start 12 to 3 a.m. on Sunday. Then it snows, turns to sleet 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. That's when it starts to turn to sleet. Then, more than likely, this turns to rain 1 to 4 p.m. on Sunday. At some point, then, not a definite, but more than likely it will be. Then this ends 3 to 6 a.m. Monday, either as rain or as light sleet. I think it's mainly rain, though, from 1 to 4 p.m. Sunday into our Sunday night. You can visit avalonborough.net for more emergency information. I've spoken with the town. They are well aware of all of these winter storm risks you see here. We're going to expect plowable snow and sleet as we go into our Sunday morning here. In terms of the ice, that's probably my biggest concern because temperatures fall below 32 degrees Sunday night. Those wet areas freeze up, and then we're below 32 degrees for most of next week here. So black ice and refreeze is going to be a concern here into the week. Wind damage kind of goes hand in hand with the ice. It's not that the winds are super strong, but we will see top gusts at 45 miles an hour coming from the onshore direction Sunday night, and that in conjunction with some ice that may be forming, as well as some sleet and snow on the power lines and trees, can down some power lines and trees. Your Office of Emergency Management is well aware of this. Tidal flooding 11 p.m. to 5 a.m. on Sunday night. Looks to be minor flood stage. Think of the usual areas north of 30th Street West or Bayward side of Dune Drive is where you could expect that. Now, in terms of snowfall probabilities, 70% confidence on 4 to 7 inches of snow. I like that right now. If anything, it probably goes lower rather than higher here. We'll have another update for you on Saturday. Here's a look at our temperatures and our wind chills here. It is a slow climb as we go throughout the weekend. Wind chills at -3 Saturday at 7 a.m. and then in the teens for Saturday afternoon all the way through Sunday morning. And it's still going to be chilly, but more regular wintertime cold as we go into Sunday afternoon as we see that changeover to rain. We look at our 7-day forecast. You see that cold coming as we go into next week. Low temperatures in the low to mid teens. We're talking about highs well below 32 degrees, and that ice will be staying around. Make sure to visit avalonborough.net for more information.